Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited today to share this beautiful chandelier that I created from Dollar Tree chopping mats. I added some glass crystals that came from a broken lamp, but that was totally optional. The first thing I did was rolled one mat and I used my rubber band to keep the shape. This will be used as the frame to my chandelier. Next, I take a sheet of standard printer paper and I folded it in four. I mark my measurement and I cut the paper from one side to the other. And this will be used as my template, and I will only need to use it once. This chopping mat came two in a pack, so I got 4 shades from one pack and I needed 16 shades. After I was done cutting all my shades, I opened the one I rolled for my frame, and by now it should be slightly curved. I cut the first ½ inch off, since I'll only need 10.5 inches for my frame. I used 3.5 inches for each strip. Since this is a very rigid material, I had to use needle and floral wire to sew it together. Hot glue would not work. It was not very easy to use a needle without punching holes. So here I'm punching the hole in the center with a bead tool. Of course, a hole puncher would be ideal, but I use what I have. I made holes ½ inch and 1 inch apart. It's not an exact match, but I have an idea how far apart they should fall. Next, I find the center of my shades and I make sure that they line up with each other. In order to create a border with my spray paint, I cut one of the shades smaller. To sew the shades together, I punch my holes 1 inch into the shade and then at the very end. I then went outside and I spray painted them silver. I make sure to spray paint them on the rough side. There's a smooth side and there's a rough side. The rough side will be on the inside when I sew the lamps. After I was done, it felt a little bit flimsy, so I added this piece of wire reed that I had left over from another project. I went outside and I spray painted it silver, and then I made holes in my frame and I used hot glue to hold it in. I also went ahead and I put hot glue on the nuts in the back. I'm using a very thin fishing line to attach my crystals, and then I use hot glue to hold them in place. I like a very neat job, so I cut my leftover mats into curved strips to affix them to the insides. In case someone should look up, they won't see the construction of my lamp. So I'll be using 3 hooks to hang my chandelier on my current light fixture. I doubled my floral wire and I twine it together, and I'm gonna be using my shower curtain hooks that I got from the dollar store. And look at the difference to my light fixture. For under $10, I made this beautiful chandelier. Thanks for sticking with me until the end, and please, please, please remember, I need some support, guys. Please thumbs up this video and hit the subscribe button if you didn't subscribe as yet, and also click the bell icon so you won't miss a thing. Bye.